and Data Types for Dummies, a step-by-step guide. Welcome, future Python wizards. Today, we'll dive into the exciting world of data types in Python, the building blocks of any program. Don't worry if you're a beginner, we'll take things nice and slow, with clear explanations and plenty of Python code examples to keep things fun. Step 1. What are data types? Imagine a toolbox filled with different tools, each perfect for a specific job. In Python, data types are like those tools. They tell Python what kind of information we're storing, like numbers, words, or even pictures. Step 2. The basic 6. Let's meet the most common data types. Numbers, for counting, calculating, and representing all things numerical. Imagine a ruler, perfect for measuring distances. Example: age equals 25, price equals 10.99. Strings, for storing text, sentences, or any collection of characters. Think of a notepad, ready to write down anything. Example: name equals Alice, message equals hello, world. Booleans, they can only be true or false, like a light switch with 2 positions. Useful for making decisions in your program. Example: is underscore raining equals true, is underscore hungry equals false. Lists, imagine a shopping list, holding a collection of items in any order. Lists can store any type of data, even other lists. Example: fruits equals apple, banana, orange, numbers equals 1, 5, 10. Tuples, like lists, but the items are fixed and can't be changed. Think of a birthday cake with candles you can't move. Example: colors equals red, green, blue, birth underscore date equals 1990, 12, 25. Dictionaries, store information in key value pairs, like a dictionary with words and their definitions. Perfect for organizing data. Example: person equals name, Alice, age, 25, city, Karachi. Step 3. Playing with data. Now that you know the tools, let's see them in action. We'll use Python code to work with each type. Numbers: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You can even compare them to see which is bigger. Strings: combine them, access individual characters, or change their case, uppercase, lowercase. Booleans: use them to control the flow of your program, like making decisions based on true or false conditions. Lists: add, remove, or access items by their position. Loop through the list to do something to each item. Tuples: access items by their position, but you can't change the order or remove them. Dictionaries: add, remove, or update key value pairs. Access information using the keys. Step 4. Remember, each data type has its own strengths and weaknesses. Choose the right one for the job. You can convert between data types when needed. For example, turning a string into a number. Practice makes perfect. The more you play with data types, the more comfortable you'll become. Bonus tip: check out online resources and tutorials for even more fun and challenging exercises. Remember,